welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. We have the Sephora Savings Event, and it's going on probably by the time this video comes out now. It's going on now. So I just wanted to quickly come back to you all with my fragrance recommendations. I know you all have your carts going and thriving, but if you are a VIB member or insider and you have until April the 8th to shop, this video is for you, so you can, I can recommend some goodies for you in the fragrance area. But if you are a Rouge member, you're probably shopping now. And so you might already have things in your cart, but let's go over some of the goodies that I do have. So first up, let's talk about Kylie. And honey, we have two beauties. We have Fleur Majesty Rose Royale. We just talked about this. I just did a whole video, so catch that video if you haven't. I did a dedicated review on this. This is so good. Very rose, very adult girly. I love this down. I love the juicy pear in this. It's so crisp. It's so good. It's so good. Okay. And then I would also recommend this Yum Bougie Marshmallow. Honey, this baby, this beauty, this marshmallow, scrumptious, so good for my gourmand girlies. Both are really good. They're good paired together. They're good separate on their own. But I would highly recommend you get your discounts off and honey, get you some Kylie fragrances. And those are, really good for this spring and summer. And I know that you're going to have a ball with them. Okay, moving on. Next, I would recommend from Giorgio Armani, I recommend we have Acqua di Gioia, and this is Ocean. Okay, both are so good. I believe the Aqua, this one had even, I felt like I saw this for like $53. And then maybe you get your additional discount off. So this is already on sale. If you're looking for a lemon, jasmine type of very spring citrus green fragrance, if you're looking for something like this, this is a good one. I love this down. This is one of those citrus greens that really doesn't have me running through the forest and the trees and smells like pine cleaner. To me and my nose, this is so good. Very classic, very fresh, very aromatic, very, very, very good. And then you have Ocean. To me, this is everything right and nice because this has pear in it. Hello. So this is like your hair lily of the valley. So white floral in this, salty. You all know, if you don't know, I love a good salty note. So it has that in this as well. Very fresh, very refreshing. Out of the shower, but like a day beach, like white sands type of like breeze going through your hair, and you just have this like flowing dress flowing in the wind. This is that type. My bad. This is that type of scent. I would highly recommend both. You can get both. They're both really fresh and citrus, but they are not one and the same. So definitely get your hands on these. I love them. They are easy reach fragrances. They're not very complex where you're like, you can't, wear this, or where would you wear this to? And you're concentrating and thinking like, oh, I need a red carpet for this. No. Very easy breezy. You can wear them anywhere, anytime. Love it, especially during this spring and summer. And you can get some discounts off. Highly recommend you get, sis. Okay, moving on. Next up, I love these. I love this brand, Down. Okay, and we have from the 7 Virtues, I would recommend Lotus Pear, one of my favorites. Of course, pears in this, but it's so good and florally and fruity, and it's just so good. Okay, and then you have Coconut Sun. I took this on vacation last year, and I do plan to take this on vacation this year. So good, easy reach, especially when you don't want anything heavy. You're going to be in and out the pool. You're going to be on the beach, right? Like, I love coconut, and it's just brightening. And it uplifts me, and it's creamy. If you love a good creamy coconut brightening type of scent that makes you just happy, Coconut Sun, I would recommend. But both, now they don't last forever, so I will say that, preference and say that, like, these are not the long lasting fragrances, but definitely easy reach, definitely for this probably hot season. I don't know what it's gonna do, okay, honey. We still, I felt like we was hell coming down out of the sky the other day, and I thought we was in spring, honey. I don't know what's gonna do with weather wise, but these two are still great, very good for vacation vibes, and honestly any vibe that you want to do. Moving on. A body mist that I would recommend in, Sol de Janeiro. They have so many of these, but this is the 59. I would highly recommend you get this. I am almost gone and out, so I will be re-upping on this. Oh, it's so good. So if you like white floral, to me, what else is in this? Let's see. We have vanilla orchid in this. We have sandalwood. So yeah, if you love a good vanilla, floral, woodsy type of smell, this is so good. So good. I also have the body cream in a travel size, so that's why I want to re-up on this, because I'm almost out, but I want to make sure I have a full bottle, so on my travels I can spray down and not run out with my body cream. So I would highly recommend both, especially for this sale. Okay, moving on. And my last recommendation, I have not gotten my foot in this fragrance, but I plan on, because this is the season for it. To me, you probably been wearing this, but that's you. But for me, this is the season that I'm going to wear this in. So this is Forever Mood, okay? This is the hard to get. I just got this. I would recommend definitely getting this for, yes, the Sephora Savings Event. It's really great. Jackie Aina is the creator of this. I would absolutely recommend you get this in this savings event, because you can get some coinage off, right? This is not, especially for the fragrance world, this is not very expensive. Well, this is, this is a coin, but it's not overly priced. So when you get another set of discounts off of it, or a percentage off, like, this is the right time to absolutely add this to your cart. So I would highly recommend, okay? Well, fam, let me also tell you some of the things that I have been eyeing in the fragrance world on my Sephora app. Okay, fam, we've talked about this before, but something that I am eyeing and I will probably get, I really want to get my nose on it, so I'm going to see in my store if they have a sample. If not, I'm just going to get it. So it is the Juliet Has a Gun, and it is the Miami Shake. I want that. I want to smell it. I want to smell like a strawberry and creme and vanilla shake, okay, all day, every day. So I plan on either getting a travel size or get my nose on this, but I need whatever in a travel size. I want this in my collection. One that I want to smell in store, I'm not checking for her, but I'm checking for her, if that makes sense. It doesn't, it's fine. But it's the Clementine, and that is from the Seven Virtues. I love the Seven Virtues. I just don't know about the orange and the clementine, and like, I don't mind a citrus, right? I just showed you some citrus fragrances, but I'm very particular. I've been turned off before by the orange, and this is heavy on the orange, right? It's centered around clementine, so I don't know, but I do want to get my nose on it, see if I vibe with it. I want to see what this looking like, checking like. And then another one of my last ones that I am interested in, and let me know if you've tried this. It's the new Flower Bomb, and this is the Flower Bomb Extreme Intense, okay? What have you all thought? What are your thoughts on it? Have you tried it? Would you recommend it to me? I'm eyeing it. I don't know. I love a good flower bomb, but is it like the same but just with more intense? Like, is it a need? Is it something that, like, sis, you gotta have it, you gotta get your nose on it? Is it one of those, or are you like, sis, you could wait, it's alright? Or do you just not like it at all? Let me know in the comments, because I really like, I don't know if I want the Flower Bomb extreme intense, but I did have a good time when the Burberry Herb went to the intense one. I love that one. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay? Let me know if there's any other fragrances that you're eyeing and checking out. I would love to know what you got in your cart fragrance wise. But those are my short list recommendations, and then some things that I'm also looking at. Okay, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye family, I love you so much. Bye.